Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Zane. I'm Zane.
And I'm Anna. Zane, can I ask you something personal?
Of course, what's up?
When you were learning a new language, what was harder? Ordering food at a restaurant or making friends?
Oh, making friends, 100%. Ordering food is easy because there's a script, but casual conversation? That's terrifying.
Exactly. You can know perfect English grammar. You can order coffee like a pro. But when someone says, "Hey, how's it going?" you freeze. You don't know what to say next.
Right, and then there's that awkward silence and you feel like you failed.
But here's the thing, small talk isn't about being perfect, it's about being friendly, it's about connecting with people.
Exactly. So today we're going to teach you how to make small talk in English. We'll practice casual conversations that help you make friends, talk to neighbors, chat with coworkers, and feel comfortable in social situations.
We'll cover 4 scenarios: meeting someone new, talking about the weather, discussing weekend plans, and giving compliments.
And as always, you'll practice with us through shadowing. By the end of this episode, small talk won't feel scary anymore.
So let's dive in.
Okay, first, let's talk about what small talk actually is.
Small talk is light, casual conversation about everyday topics. It's not deep or serious, it's just friendly chatting.
Exactly. It's what you say when you're in an elevator with someone, or waiting in line, or sitting next to someone at an event. It's how you break the ice.
The most important thing to remember is that small talk isn't about the topic, it's about being friendly and approachable.
Right. People aren't judging your English, they just want to have a pleasant interaction.
So let's start with the most common scenario, meeting someone new. Maybe you're at a party, a networking event, or a community gathering.
I'll be meeting Anna for the first time. Listen to how we introduce ourselves and start a conversation.
Ready.
Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm Zane.
Hi, Zane. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So, how do you know the host?
Oh, Sarah and I work together. We've been colleagues for about 2 years now. How about you?
Sarah and I went to college together. We've been friends since freshman year.
Oh, that's cool. So you guys go way back. What do you do for work?
I am a graphic designer. I work for a small marketing agency downtown. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach high school English.
Oh, wow. That must be challenging but rewarding.
It definitely is. Some days are tough, but I love it. Do you enjoy graphic design?
Yeah, I really do. It's creative and every project is different, so it stays interesting.
That sounds great. Well, it was really nice meeting you, Zane.
You too, Anna. Enjoy the party.
Thanks, you too. Okay, that's a complete introduction and small talk conversation. Let's practice those key phrases now.
These phrases will help you in so many situations. Repeat after Anna.
Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. How do you know the host? We've been colleagues for about 2 years now. Oh, that's cool. What do you do for work? I'm a teacher. I teach high school English. That sounds great. It was really nice meeting you.
Perfect. Now my phrases. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you too. We've been friends since freshman year. So you guys go way back. Oh, wow. That must be challenging but rewarding. Do you enjoy graphic design? Enjoy the party.
Excellent. Now let's talk about the weather. I know, it sounds boring, but weather is actually the perfect small talk topic.
It really is. It's safe, everyone experiences it, and it's an easy way to start a conversation with anyone, your neighbor, someone at the bus stop, a coworker.
Let's practice a weather conversation. Imagine Zane and I are neighbors who just ran into each other outside.
Here we go. Hey, Anna. Beautiful day today, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, yes, finally. It's been raining for like a week straight.
I know, right? I was starting to forget what the sun looked like.
Same here. Are you enjoying the nice weather?
Definitely. I'm actually about to go for a walk in the park. What about you?
I'm heading to the farmer's market. I want to enjoy the sunshine while it lasts.
Good idea. They're saying it might rain again this weekend.
Ugh, really? I hope not. I have outdoor plans on Saturday.
Well, fingers crossed. Maybe the forecast will change.
Yeah, hopefully. Well, enjoy your walk.
Thanks. Have fun at the market.
Thanks. See you later.
See ya. Okay, that was a classic weather conversation. Let's practice.
Weather talk is so useful. Repeat after me. Beautiful day today, isn't it? Oh my gosh, yes, finally. It's been raining for like a week straight. I was starting to forget what the sun looked like. Are you enjoying the nice weather? I want to enjoy the sunshine while it lasts. They're saying it might rain again this weekend. Ugh, really? I hope not. I have outdoor plans on Saturday. Fingers crossed. Maybe the forecast will change. Enjoy your walk.
Perfect. Now my side. Repeat after me. I know, right? I'm actually about to go for a walk in the park. Good idea. Maybe the forecast will change. Have fun at the market. Awesome. Now let's talk about weekend plans. This is another super common small talk topic, especially on Fridays or Mondays.
Right. On Friday, people ask, any plans for the weekend? And on Monday, they ask, how was your weekend? It's an easy, friendly way to chat.
Let's practice a Friday afternoon conversation about weekend plans. Imagine we're coworkers.
Perfect. Hey Zane, happy Friday.
Happy Friday to you too. Any fun plans for the weekend?
Yeah, actually, my sister is visiting, so we're going to check out that new Italian restaurant downtown.
Oh, nice. I've heard good things about that place. Have you been there before?
No, it'll be my first time. I'm really excited. What about you? What are you up to this weekend?
Nothing too exciting. I'm probably just going to relax at home. Maybe watch some movies, catch up on sleep.
That sounds perfect, honestly. Sometimes a quiet weekend is exactly what you need.
Yeah, exactly. I've had a busy week, so I'm looking forward to just chilling.
I totally get that. Well, enjoy your relaxing weekend.
Thanks, you too, and let me know how that restaurant is.
I will. I'll tell you all about it on Monday.
Sounds good. Have a great weekend.
You too. See you Monday.
See ya. Perfect. That's how you talk about weekend plans. Let's practice those phrases.
This conversation is so common in offices and schools. Repeat after me. Happy Friday. Any fun plans for the weekend? My sister is visiting, so we're going to check out that new Italian restaurant downtown. I've heard good things about that place. It'll be my first time. I'm really excited. What about you? What are you up to this weekend? That sounds perfect, honestly. Sometimes a quiet weekend is exactly what you need. Let me know how that restaurant is. Have a great weekend.
Excellent. Now my phrases. Repeat after me. Happy Friday to you too. Have you been there before? Nothing too exciting. I'm probably just going to relax at home. I've had a busy week, so I'm looking forward to just chilling. I totally get that. See you Monday. Great work. Now let's talk about compliments. Giving and receiving compliments is a really nice way to connect with people.
Absolutely. A simple compliment can make someone's day and start a friendly conversation.
The key is to be genuine and specific. Instead of just saying, nice shirt, you might say, I love that color on you, or that's a really cool design.
And when someone compliments you, don't just say thanks. You can say, thank you so much, or thanks, I appreciate that, or even turn it into a conversation.
Let's practice. Imagine we're at a coffee shop and I notice something about Zane.
Okay. Oh, wow, I love your jacket. That color is really nice.
Oh, thank you so much. I actually just got it last week.
It looks great on you. Where did you get it?
I found it at that vintage store on Main Street. Do you know the one?
Oh, yeah, I love that place. They have such unique stuff.
Right? I can spend hours in there. Hey, I really like your bag, by the way. Is that handmade?
Thanks. Yeah, my friend actually made it for me. She does leather work.
Wow, that's amazing. She's really talented.
I'll tell her you said so. She'd love to hear that.
Please do. Well, enjoy your coffee.
Thanks, you too. See? Compliments naturally lead to conversation. Let's practice.
These are such friendly, warm phrases. Repeat after Anna.
Oh, wow, I love your jacket. That color is really nice. It looks great on you. Where did you get it? Oh, yeah, I love that place. They have such unique stuff. I really like your bag, by the way. Is that handmade? She's really talented.
I'll tell her you said so. Perfect. Now my phrases. Repeat after me. Oh, thank you so much. I actually just got it last week. Do you know the one? I can spend hours in there. My friend actually made it for me. Wow, that's amazing. Excellent work. Now let's review some important tips for successful small talk.
Tip number 1, ask open-ended questions. Instead of questions with yes or no answers, ask questions that encourage conversation, like, what do you do for fun? Instead of, do you like sports?
Tip number 2, show genuine interest. Make eye contact, nod, and respond to what the other person says. Small words like, oh really? Or that's interesting, show you're listening.
Tip number 3, share a little about yourself too. Conversation is give and take. If someone asks about your weekend, tell them, then ask about theirs.
Tip number 4, it's okay to have short conversations. Not every chat needs to be deep. Sometimes a quick friendly exchange is perfect.
Tip number 5, don't stress about perfect English. Native speakers make mistakes too. The goal is connection, not perfection.
Tip number 6, use exit phrases. It's totally fine to end the conversation politely. Say things like, well, it was nice talking to you, or I should get going, but this was great. Let's catch up again soon.